Nokia Mobile Manufacturing Company is a big old manufacturing company, which used to make many better smartphones. You must have heard the name of Nokia's 6600 phone, which was very much in discussion at its time, and people liked it a lot. Now its updated version with 5G SIM support is ready to enter the market, with name of Nokia 6600 Ultra 5G. In this phone you are going to get a powerful battery of 7000 mAh with 200 megapixel camera. In today's video, we will give information about the full leaked features, price, and launch date of this unique smartphone. So let's get started. Features of Nokia 6600 Ultra 5G. If we talk about the display of the mobile, then you will get to see a 6.5-inch Super AMOLED display in it, which comes with Corning Gorilla Glass 7 protection. Additionally, you can get a refresh rate of 120 Hz and IP68 rating in it. Camera setup. Now talking about the camera quality of the phone, you have been given a great 200 megapixel DSLR camera in this smartphone. And for taking selfie photos, a 50 megapixel selfie shooter camera is available. Operating system. Talking about the operating system of the mobile, you will get to see Android 15 operating system in it. And talking about the processor of the mobile, Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 5G processor will be seen in it. Battery backup. If we talk about battery backup of the mobile, then you get to see a powerful battery of 7000 mAh in this smartphone, which also supports 55-watt fast charging, which will come with Type-C charging socket. Price or launch date. If we talk about the price of this phone, it is being said that the price of this mobile can be around $400. However, the official price will be known after the mobile is launched. And if we talk about the launch date, no official information has been received about it till now.